I'm going to set up the YoLink smoke alarm and the wireless communication base. This is a YoLink product which contains all the proprietary YoLink stuff, the communications with the base station and so on. And this is, I guess, a fairly standard smoke alarm, but it has some contacts in the back so that it talks to the base. So let's open these up. All right, so here we have the smoke and carbon monoxide detector. And like I said, on the back are these contacts, so that's what's connecting when it mounts on top of this. This is the YoLink hub. So the YoLink wireless base that has, obviously you can see it's powered by a couple of batteries. This has its own dedicated 10-year battery. It cannot be changed. So, this does not connect to the mains. So this can't be your main smoke alarm. Most states and countries now require the smoke alarms to be wired in to mains electricity with a battery as a backup. But this is battery only. So let's pair it and get it set up. You can see I've mounted the wireless base to the ceiling. It came with a couple of screws and plugs. And let's just put the smoke alarm on. So just one thing to know, so to make sure it's working, there's a switch here on the left there that needs to be pushed down. And now let's screw it onto the base. It just squivels on. Okay, the alarm is on the base, as you can see. So I'm now going to test the smoke alarm. You see I filled a bowl with some paper. I've got some matches. I'm going to leave the camera here. And I'm going to go into the garage, which is where the sensor is.
Garage, smoke and CO alarm detects smoke. Garage, smoke and CO alarm detects smoke.
Okay, finally, let's take a look inside the YoLink app. You can see the state of it. You can see the battery levels for the sensor and the base. They're both battery powered. And you can also see the result of the test function. You can either initiate it from here, or you just press the button on the front of the smoke detector, just like any other smoke alarm. And again, I can choose which alarm strategy, and I can choose how often to be alerted as well. So that, I think, wraps it up. If you like the video, please do like, and do subscribe. I've got more of these videos coming. DIY projects, tech reviews, solar and power walls, if you're into that. My name is Scott, and thank you for watching.